So this is the second video about the Let's 1000x Heartfulness Challenge. And the objective is here. We as a group, we are trying to become capable digitally, also with deep sadhana and with good communication techniques, become one of those 1,000 people who will reach out to 2,000 new seekers. And from those 2,000 seekers, who will mentor about 5% of them, means about 100 of them deeper into a digital funnel, into becoming serious abhyasis who attend Sunday satsang, Bhandara sittings, who become more regular, focused towards the mission. They themselves becomes volunteers eventually, those serious kind of abhyasis. So the idea is to increase these kind of abhyasis up by about 1 lakh in the next 2 years. All this we are targeting in the next 2 years. And digital technology is going to play a very important role in this. So I mentioned it in one of our some of our e-meetings with volunteers when we met recently together. This is a very important point. That when this movement started, when Daji started this somewhere around 2015, in the initial days, I myself was a volunteer conducting heartfulness training for people at Manapakam. And in one of the trainings, Daji came himself, and he was addressing us. And one very interesting thing he said, he was also praying to Babuji Maharaj, asking for guidance that how such a big, movement, how will it spread? How even he had concerns that how to reach so many people, how to manage so many people. And, and then there were preceptors in that crowd, and or even why preceptors, even coordinators, he was asking this, have you thought this? How are you going to manage so many people? How are you going to, reach so many people, manage these groups, And then he himself replied, he got an inspiration from Babuji, and he said, Babuji Maharaj said, use digital technology. So here we are, and this initiative is about making ourselves more digitally skilled. One of the key points so that we can take forward heartfulness on a digital platform. So these are the 3 pillars of support I have talked about in my earlier email. I will not talk more about it here. But today, this video is about what we are going to do in each of these areas and more about the digital technology. What is the agenda we are going to follow? What is going to be learning methodology? So at this stage, I just want to say that we have 7 days in a week, and Monday to Thursday will be focused on digital training, digital upgradation. Friday will be focused on communication, soft skills, heartful communication. And the Saturday, Sunday will be reserved for deepening messages about deepening your own sadhana, and that's how this will work. Once you see the content next in the digital technology part, you will realize that to complete the entire digital technology upgradation, we require about 23-24 weeks, which is about 6 months. So it's going to be a 6 months journey with all of us together. And that gives us a lot of time to work on our communication also and to work on our sadhana also. So now let us see what are we going to do in the area of communication. Let's talk, what we're going to do in the area of digital technology. Agenda for communication and how we're going to practice it, deepen our practice, we will do later. Today's video is about understanding the agenda for digital upgradation. Okay. So here you see this is the agenda. It's a tentative agenda, 90% there, 10%, 15%, maybe it will change. It's okay. Some flexibility is good. So we intend to start this from 7th December 2020. And this is the agenda. I am going to put a PDF in the group that you can all see at your own pleasure. But this is how it is. There is this is the week, which week this will happen. Whether this talks about practical work, this is the area of focus and reminder. So right first point that I want to say is that unless we do the practical exercises that will be given with each of these modules, you will miss out on most of the training. I have been going through digital training myself, and when you're watching the video, it looks like you understood and okay, this is simple and I will do it, or I've got it in my mind. But it doesn't help at all. When you start doing the exercise, you'll get stuck at small things. What to do now, where to go, and that is the training. So if you're really interested in training, then you need to do these exercises. I'm going to keep stressing this point more and more because um, I did a trial batch with few people, and I found a resistance to doing the practical work. And unfortunately, without doing the practical work, you will only get 30-35% benefit of this training, and rest will not come. The real training, the real upgradation will happen when you practice. So this is quickly, I'll just go through it. You can read the document quickly later on your own. Understanding the digital game. This is conceptual. What is digital marketing, best practices. We will talk about funnels. We'll talk about how to target the right content to the right person at the right level in the funnel. All that we will discuss. This is week 1. Then something to do how to use our mobile phones properly, keyboard properly, Word, Excel. All this is week 2. Week 3 is about WhatsApp, using Gmail properly, Google Forms, Google Drive, technology support for languages, Hindi to English, English to Hindi kind of situations, understanding various digital assets of the mission. Once you understood so much, we will see what are the digital assets of the mission, the first level understanding we will get. Then at this stage, we want to do a campaign. We want to do our first campaign. We will discuss this in more detail a little later. Now we will skip this because otherwise the video will become very big. D will be related to creating content, learning Canva, audio, recording your audio, using PowerPoints, making simple videos, editing it, how to create your own YouTube channel, some recommended microphone speakers for people to know. For our purpose, we don't know, we don't need much. A good mobile phone is enough. Don't have to worry. Related to conduct, then the next week 11, 12 is about Zoom, Google Meeting, using audio conferencing apps. Then week 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is reserved for social media, creating your own website. Then a simple website using Google Sites. Then writing a simple blog using Blogger. Then how to create your own Facebook profile, Twitter profile, Instagram, LinkedIn, and what these social medias are and how you can promote heartfulness on this media. We will discuss all this. You'll create your own profile. You will have your own social media presence on this as a practical work. Now at this stage, we will go deeper into the digital assets of the mission. What is our social media presence? How we can promote, all that we will discuss. At this stage, then we will go into another heartfulness campaign. Whatever we are learning, there are 2 levels of learning, 2 levels of doing rather. One of the exercises. Then second is putting those exercises together and doing something for the heartfulness movement. So that is 2 layers of exercises. Then finally in weeks 20, 21, we'll learn Telegram, Facebook groups, how to operate them, how to, at this stage, we will start looking at what is your strategy to take the seekers down who you have introduced digitally, who have done master classes. How do you make a group out of them, and then how do you gently nurture them to start attending Sunday satsangs and Bhandara sittings, and become serious, start getting involved in mission work. How will you do that? How will you make your own tribe? In digital language, it is called building your own tribe. So here we will call building our meditation, heartfulness meditation groups. Each of us can build that, and we can connect preceptors to that. We can put Sunday sittings of Daji links into that, and so many things we can do. But today, many people are doing it on WhatsApp. But how do we, so this WhatsApp is like the your final thing where people are coming in. But we want to create a funnel. We want to create where you reach so many people. You reach 2,000 people, and slowly of them, people get filtered. Some, because every people come with different interests. Even in this group, people are with different interests. Not everyone has that final interest in mind, which is okay. It's fine. Let them be slow, but slowly, they will get more interested and they'll come down. You must have a funnel to make this possible in a digital way. so that the people landing into your final pool of interested Abhyasis becomes more and more with time, and perhaps automatic. You have an automatic system of doing it. So that is called a funnel. We will discuss all this in the first week, but this is the agenda. As I said, the PDF is there. You can look at it. So now we will look at some guidelines that you should know. We are going to begin this on 7th of December. What we're going to do before that, we will discuss. Some guidelines which we have written for getting the best result of this training program. I'll quickly go through all of them. Again, we are going to publish this as a PDF. You can read it. All the important things I'll just cover. So this training is free. There's no money for it. But the important thing is that it should be used for promoting heartfulness. To get the best result, you need 1 hour a day, to do this training. See how this training is actually going to happen. We are going to post pre-recorded videos, which could be our videos, or it could be very good content on YouTube. We will post it on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, and perhaps on Thursday also, based on the topic involved. And you can watch that video anytime you like. And in many cases, there will be practical exercises involved. Some cases will not be there, but in 70%, 80% cases, there will be practical exercises. Those practical exercises you should do after watching that video. And those practical exercises you will post in a Telegram group that we will form, that you have, that you finished the work, and we will be tracking what you are doing. That's the idea how the training will happen. And once in 15 days, we will have a live webinar, and if you have any practical questions related to what has been taught last 15 days, you can ask. And if you're really confused after watching the video, my experience with such training program has been people expect to be taught in the webinar. That will not happen. It's not possible. You need to be looking, you need to have seen the video, done your exercise, and come prepared with questions, if any, in the live webinar. Then you can ask specific questions. We can make notes. If it is something small, we'll quickly solve it there and show you this is how it is done. Otherwise, we'll find a way to solve your problem. But it is important that we move like this. It is also possible that some of you may find that the pace is too high. That 1 week is not enough. It's okay. If you cannot do it in a week's time, you take 10 days, 15 days to do the exercises. So you will be a little behind in the group in terms of the learning, but it's okay. Maybe some 25-30% of the group will finish in 6 months' time. Maybe another 30% will finish in 8 months' time. Maybe rest will take 1 year. Maybe 20-30% will not finish at all. We don't know what the numbers are, but it's okay. But take your time. But important is flow. Don't try to jump, because the program has been designed in a way that if you follow the flow, then you'll get the best result. Okay. I'm not going point by point. You can read it on your own. I'm just giving the essence of this document. We've covered Monday to Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. I have again stressing here that you will learn 25% from watching these videos, which could be YouTube videos or our videos. Maybe some material we will post for your reading, but 45% bulk of the learning is going to happen when you do the exercises, and also when you participate in the heartfulness campaigns. When you start doing the practical work, that's when the knowledge will become solid. That's when it becomes really good. Doubt clarification webinars, I've told you. Other community members can also pitch in and help people. That is another 10%. We have discussed here also the Telegram group. We'll be forming a Telegram group. All those who want to do the digital technology and practice and get a review. We can't review everyone's work, but maybe some sample 10, 15, 20% we'll review. And based on that, we'll give comments that this is, this is a usual mistake that happened and how it can be improved. We'll give approximately 1 week for submission of all practical exercises. One great incentive is that those who have finished 95% of the assignments on time, who have been able to keep pace, then their social media pages, their Facebook pages, their YouTube channel, etc., etc. We will ask them to pitch to the group. We will allow them to pitch to the group, and we'll ask the group members as a reward for their pace of work and for their consistency. They should like it, subscribe it. One big problem in digital media is that for any person who comes new, has to get the first 150, 200, 500, it takes time. So if you can, as an incentive, if you finish up your work, then this group itself will give you that start. You will have 200, 300, 500, maybe 1,000 likes, subscribes, like this. So go for it. That this is an incentive that for people to keep pace with the group, and do things. A few people I'm talking about Hindi. We have some content in Hindi. 50, 60, 70% is there in Hindi, but we may not have the same matching content every time. So that is a problem. In a rare case, we may not have the English content, which is in Hindi. We'll see what to do then. But this is an English workshop, and we'll try to do something in Hindi soon. Okay, but consider this as an English workshop. During the live webinars, you can talk in Hindi. I understand Hindi. We can help. No problem. If you need to post something in Hindi once in a while, it's okay. We don't want to be so strict. But this is an English workshop. Important thing is we are not trying to make you expert in any of those topics. We want all of you to learn enough so that you can take the Heartfulness campaign forward on those areas. Probably you will reach 5 on 10, 6 on 10, 6.5 on 10, in terms of knowledge in those areas. Okay, so don't expect to become experts. It is not possible. For that, you will have to go for more training later in some other ways, which is out of scope here. Our intention is to enable you to become great Heartfulness campaigners on the digital platform. Our day for beginning training here will be 5th December 2020, where we'll begin with the sadhana part, which is the most important part actually, because without your own sadhana, without light shining from you, even digitally, it won't have fun. There's no, that charm is missing, but when you're grounded well, really you're experiencing things, and then the real motivation is there. So even when you type something or send a picture, there's some little magic behind those words, which affects you, which affects the person who's receiving it. There's some sense of conviction flows into even your digital media when you are practicing well and you're committed and you're in love with heartfulness and whatever. So let's do that well. That is so important. Our formal training in digital upgradation will start from 7th December 2020, Monday. Don't ask me what time and all that. Videos will come, start watching it. And when exercises are there, start doing it. It's simple. It's do it at your own pace kind of situation. Only live webinars will be at a particular time. Okay. And those who miss the live webinars will send the recording also. But live webinar will be the time where you can talk to us, and ask us, and it's live kind of a situation. One request is, along with this video, I am posting these guidelines, and also the digital training agenda is there. Next 3 days, today is 30th, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 4 days. We will open up. We'll open up another 1 or 2 groups. Group 5, maybe if required, group 6. And all those who are interested in understanding this, you invite them to the group. Okay. Whether we train 800 or 1,000 or 1,250 or 3,000 does not matter. As many as people who want to get trained in this is more or less like autopilot. The only concern will be live webinars. We will see how to tackle that. But most of the training, the numbers don't matter. We can take as many. But because we are doing it the first time, let's be around 1,000. It's good. So about 950 had joined. Now there must be about 825. Those who felt they were not ready for this, or maybe they knew it, or whatever good reasons they have left. If you know people who are interested, but only heartfulness practitioners, abhyasis, this is purely a heartfulness event created for heartfulness volunteers to empower them with digital technology. And heartfulness volunteers are leading this initiative. So you have to be a heartfulness person to participate in this. I have other initiatives where we open it up for all the goodness campaigners of the world, but that's another initiative. So I don't want to mix things. This is purely for heartfulness, and let's do it that way. So great. So far, if you had seen, we had sent a message what we are going to do in the first 7 days, and we have kept to that schedule. And I'm very happy that even this training schedule and everything we have been able to release on time. So thank you so much, and please take this forward to people whom you know. And we'll open up more groups. You'll know about it in the group itself tomorrow. Thank you so much.